In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use Google Play Balance with another payment method. Intro. First things first, you need to go ahead and open up the Google Play Store or just start the purchase inside the app or game that you want to buy it from. And when the Google Play checkout screen does appear, and let's just go ahead and find something to purchase real quick. Let's say it's this book, right? Once you're on this payment screen, go ahead and essentially begin by selecting this little arrow right here. It'll take you to the payment method screen. You simply need to just go through here, choose your Google Play balance or your Google Play credit, select that, and then from here, if you don't have the full balance, it'll allow you to choose another payment method for the remaining amount on the eligible purchase. Now just choose your second payment method that you want to use, such as a debit card, credit card, PayPal if that's available on your account. Then of course you can go ahead and select it, confirm, do any of the verification. Just keep in mind that split payments are not available on every single type of payment or purchase, so if the option does not appear, you may just need to use one payment method for the full amount. Before you do leave, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.